Greene, Pennsylvania, and Marshall, West Virginia. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Greene County in southwestern Pennsylvania, northeastern Wetzel County in northern West Virginia, Marshall County in northern West Virginia, until 6:15 p.m. At 5:45 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Cameron, or near Moundsville, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, wind gusts to 60 miles per hour and quarter-size hail. Source, radar. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Cameron, Aleppo, New Freeport, Rock Lake, Lone Oak, Beeler Station. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook